Maybe you've wondered before, can I really start a YouTube channel this year when there's so many YouTube channels out there? Do I have any chance of getting noticed? Does my channel have any chance of growing? Can I really get monetized? Can I really grow an audience to the point of it being my full-time job? Maybe you've had doubts. Maybe you've had doubts about your own abilities. You've wondered if you really have what it takes to grow a channel to that size. You've wondered if it's even possible now, with YouTube being as old as it is. With so many creators having millions of followers, is it possible for another channel to start with nothing and rise to that level? If you've had any of these concerns, any of these wonders, any of these doubts, I just want you to know that yes, it's totally possible. In fact, I would even go so far as to say that it's not a question of can you, it's a question of do you want to? Because the thing is, new channels start all the time. And oftentimes the determining factor of whether or not that channel succeeds is simply, did they want to succeed? Did they put in the work to make it happen? Did they tell themselves that failure is not an option? Were they willing to learn and grow and keep on getting up even after they failed? These things, rather than the question of can I, are really the reasons why a channel succeeds. Because here's the thing, you can. If you want to, you can. There are 8 billion people in the world, and only a small fraction of those actually have YouTube channels. But there's this huge audience, billions of people who get on YouTube every single day, and they're looking for content to watch, and you can be some of that content. There are plenty of people looking for you, your kind of content on YouTube. They're just waiting for you to make it. And if you doubt that, think about this. There are all kinds of channels that do well on YouTube. Some channels show their face, some don't. Some channels have really outgoing personalities, and some people are shy. Some people have very edited videos, and some very unedited videos. And for each of these things, even in the last year, new channels have popped up and excelled in each of these categories. The question is, do you want to? Are you willing to put in the time? Are you willing to put in the energy to learn how to do it? Are you willing to adapt and grow so that it does succeed? Are you willing to differentiate yourself enough so that people actually want to watch your story? Because it's true that you can't just do the exact same thing that everybody else is doing. You do have to be a little bit different than everyone else, but there's totally room, there's totally space for you to start that kind of channel. Think about it like this also. A lot of the bigger YouTubers that have established themselves on this platform, they've been around a long time at this point. True. But they've also been around so long that many of them are retiring. They're getting burnt out. They don't want to stay on this platform anymore. So there's space. There's room for new creators to come and fill that void. And not only that, people who want to watch YouTube, oftentimes they're rooting for the little guy. They want to see new creators come and succeed. Think about the channels that you watch. Do you only watch big creators, or do you watch some people who are just now starting out? I mean, think about my channel too. You're watching this video, and this channel right now only has about 800 subscribers. Right now, I'm one of the little guys, and yet you're watching me. Listen, every channel starts in the same place. We all start with 0 subscribers, but it's the people who say, I can and I will. Those are the ones who end up succeeding. So can you grow a channel? Yeah, you can. But the question is, will you? Do you want to? Are you willing to put in what it takes to grow a channel? Listen, I know that you can do it, because if I can do it, you can do it too. At this point, I've grown several channels. I have one channel that just crossed 20,000 subscribers. I have another channel that has over 2,000 subscribers. I have a few more that have over 1,000 subscribers, and they're all still growing. Even the ones that I don't post on very much, they're still growing. And I'm actively starting new channels as well, in new sub niches, in categories that I really think have a lot of room to grow still. And honestly, I think all of them do. So if it's your dream to start a YouTube channel, don't give up on your dream and stop putting off your dream. Seriously, just start making videos, learn as you go, start messy, and you can do it. I know that you can, because if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.